Hello and welcome to our new series. In this series we will do some Python application. We have already done some Python. I will find it and show you to this. This we have made this previously. This I want to show this password also here, and let's see what we have done in previous video. Let's teacher user and ts. Here we are getting some error. Let's not see. In this error we used to read from file and we used to in command from. We will do that in here. Thus I have recorded that in previous video, but that video was deleted unfortunately. Before publishing that, I was made 2 video consecutively. I have the code here, but I will see that code what I have created, because in next video there is same code. This is of second video code, and so I will make some similar values here in the window, and we will view that here. Let's start with importing from tick enter import all. Let's make window dot is equal to tk. Here first of all we will define some geometry. We have to know that geometry what I have made. This is our. Let's copy this, because I have made that. I want to make that same, because if you watch the next video of this tutorial, then you may be confused if I made different from this. And after that I have not made anything here, and here I have to define 2 window. First of all, login. Let's make sure that I have made the same window, login window. We will make same thing here, because that have been deleted previously. Here window label. I will only copy this variable, not that text, because this is of second video, and we should follow this is equal to label, and I will make it to first of all window and text is equal to, and I will make welcome. If there is difference, please make sure you are making the change here. You can send this welcome label dot grid. I want to grade this into row 1, row is equal to 1, and column is equal to 0. Sorry, this also 0. Let's even make another variable, that is user label, and user is equal to label. Window text is equal to username, and give this, and this will be grid here. Row is equal to 1, and column is equal to 0. And make same variable. This should be same, let's copy this and we will remove some parts here because this is not the parts of here. We'll do only this here. User int is equal to this and this. Let's copy this all and we should use another variable here. This is should be, I will copy this only this here and paste it. Where is this? Paste. Here we would give password, where our password entry. I want to make this video so super fast because it will take so long to make this video because we are making 2 window at a time in one window. We will make this button here. We will not describe anything here, we will describe everything in next video. Let's save it and let's view that. Here we should terminate the loop. Win.main loop here. Let's run this and see if we get a right position here. It is giving me error because I have not grid this to column row 2 and row 2. Let's save it and run it. As this is how we can get it. In next video we are going to style that and you will get that style in next video. In part 2 let's make another window here, define this should be activity window. Let's make it where our file is, and here is same, we have to use same label here and same label here. Now here are some couple of lines, I will copy them and I will explain these all so that our works would be easier than ever. Now I will make this. Let's make, where is it? Copy and paste it. We have to remove this because we have not added some characteristics to it, and we will delete this here. Everything we will delete from here. Here also same to this and same to this. Sorry, we have to pass up to column, and here to remove this and remove this here. In next video you will obviously see these all because this is the part of next video that accidentally happened to me. It should terminate now. I will explain after erasing this value. Let's see. Here let's run and see if we got. Here some error is giving me. Here some error again. I have get option is not defined. As in here we have to define option. Let's copy that option here. I have declare option where I have option here. let's copy and paste to main window, below window here, 12v. Save and run it. Now we will get, I have created this text here. I will explain line by line here, and you will get that all because we have done this. This is a label, we have made this here teacher label, and this is id label, and here we will enter id, here id variable here, and this is row, this is name, this is subject code, this is percent, this is here, and this is, and when we click this button it should be saved in the database, and we would get this value in this. Here we will use tree view or text box. We will probably use tree view because tree view is efficient for viewing, so nice looking. Now in here we can do some, we have done here because that was made in first video, and unfortunately my first video was deleted, so I have made this so in a fast way, and I think you have done this. This is option menu, we have get this, we have passed this option that I have copied this, we have passed with this star. This is a pointer variable star, it will point to where the data is stored of the option, because option are in the form of tuples. We have to pass the address of this option in for the tuples. You will see the next video that are running all the codes, and we will meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video.